Magaling magturo! Nose beat talaga ako, guys!
I need somebody with me. Somebody to know. Somebody to hold. Somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you know the pain. Know the day Bota essa galera pra dentro. I'm going under, and this time I feel there's no one to turn to.
Do you know how to dance? Yes. Really? Can you try? Together with Teresa. No. Teresa, look at Teresa.
It's only nothing with love and go be sleeping without you. Oh, I need somebody to know, somebody.
Sayaw doon sa sayaw.
Nakadaan pa yung nakabawas na apps eh.
I don't know how to dance.
I don't know how to dance like that. On TV?
Hindi, sino si Amira?
Hi. Look!
Taradang ano. Magbubukas kaya yan.
Makaroon.
Edna, it's very, very good how to dance. Yeah. If you want to dance,
Wait,
tell
bakit?
it to Edna.
I want to see.
I want to see. Edna!
That's joke only.
No, I'm not joking. Edna is a very good dancer.
Hey,
Mm.
me, I don't know how to dance. Philippine dance, I don't. I not Ghana.
Later, Edna teach you how to dance.
No, babakong ka yan.
Hindi ko alam. Pero tumawag si Mustafa, sabi daw, oo eh. Ano ko ba?
Hindi ka dalulan yung film.
Naku, hindi na naman nakakapag-bakit na ito. Hindi na nakasala na.
What?
Film. We see film.
Philippines?
Yes.
Mm.
Tara, mag-iisang marami ka pa?
Oh.
Some show like Malakirala, so and on.
Wala nang ginawa kundi kumain ng kumain.
Mukha mo ana. Shoti ba? Shoti ba ko? In English, what? Shoti ba?
Shoot ba ko?
Shoot ba ako? In English? What?
Rosie,
Mother in law.
shoot ba ko?
Shoot ba ako salita nila?
Mother in law.
Mother-in-law!
Hey, mother in law.
Shoot ba ako?
Shoti
What? What?
This one.
Hello guys, good evening.
Dahil sa may bago kaming kasama, English po kaning guys, kasi nagkaka-nosebleed ako. Ay, hindi lang pala ako nag-isa kami. Hi, Ate Lynn. Bakit, Ate Lynn? Why you're sad?
No, I'm not sad. I'm just busy.
You are busy? Say hi, Prost. Hi. This is my new co-worker. See? Tinuturuan ko po siya gumamit ng washing machine, guys, kasi hindi pa siya marunong gumamit ng machine. So, naglalaba siya ng damit niya. Actually, si Ate Tiri yung naglagay niyan dyan. Kaya, tinuturuan ko lang siya kung paano yan gamitin. Ayoko mag-English kasi nosebleed talaga, guys. Hi, Tita Lisa. Are you busy?
I'm busy.
You are also busy?
I'm busy.
Tita Lisa, say hi. Good evening.
Hi, good evening. Morning!
Ay, morning
Para
ba?
sa atin.
Pilipinas. Wala pa. Ay, oo nga. 11 na po dito. Time check. 11 o'clock in the evening. Nandito po ako sa Patahian, guys. Nangungulit. Wala lang magawa. What? Nasigaw na yung aking ano. Finish?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Wash! And put there another one.
I wash with it.
Hey, hold your hands.
Okay.
And then we can put here in the dryer to remove the soap, okay? Soap. Ang hirap mag-English. Put it there. Aywa. See? Remove this one, the door, to make you feel comfortable. Maglalaba din ako kasi.
This one is going to dry and I wear tomorrow.
That's why you need to put here the dryer, and then you can put it in your room. And then maybe tomorrow morning, if you are wake up, you can make iron. Okay?
Yes.
Lalaba din ako, maliligo pa, alas 11 na, guys. Alas 11 na, di pa ako nakaligo.
Videos.
What?
Oh,
What?
You talk with somebody. There.
What?
You are in video.
In video?
Hey.
And?
Oh, we were talking with this one. I don't see another people which you talk.
Oh, okay. Say hi! Hi there, family, Uganda.
Oh,
In Uganda.
I love you, my country, Uganda.
Thailand. Your country is?
Uganda.
Uganda. And what is your name?
My name is Prosi.
Proceed.
I live in Uganda.
You live in Uganda. Wait. Okay, put another one. That is the last one?
Yes.
Okay, later that one. I need to try this one first.
I fasting well.
Okay, put it there. Okay, and remove the water. If you want the water removed, you can switch this one, and then the water fall it down. The water go down. Going down. Oh my God. Say hi to your family in Uganda.
I love my family.
And
I'm coming to Uganda.
can you tell to your family? What did you say about your family?
My family, I love them. so much.
And
Let's wait.
how about your children?
My children, Shonpo, Jobu, I love you.
Really? How many kids do you have?
5 kids.
5 kids?
Yes.
How boys and girls?
Boys, 2.
Boys,
Girl.
3 girls. Okay. And how old the youngest?
4 years.
4 years old?
First one is 15 years.
The eldest one is 15.
Yes.
So seems like my daughter is only 15 ka lang. Okay. So we need to wait this dryer. Finish the water. You can turn like this. Turn it back. If you want to look, the waters you want to go down, you need to twist like this.
Yes.
Like this, okay? The left and the waters go down finished, you can turn off. Right?
Okay.
Right. Okay. And then we need to wash another one, okay? Where's your Oh my god, where's your you don't have plastic, you don't have tray?
Plastic.
This one, that is for you?
This one.
That is for you.
My.
Is it you?
No.
Hug me. This is yours. Oh, this is not yours?
No.
Oh my god, have chocolate, guys. I find chocolate in the bags. Kit Kat. See? But it's okay, you can use this one. Your clothes is put it there. Remove your clothes here from the dryer. Yeah, put there. And then you can
What about this?
put down. Ayun. Yeah, like that. Yeah, remove your clothes all. And then this one not yet finished, right?
Yes. We dry it.
You can put it there to dry.
My God.
Done?
Going to wear tomorrow.
What?
My clothes is.
Yes. Yes. And then you can close. And then switch like this, 1 or number 2. Oh my god. If you heard like that, something like very noisy in the dryer, you can arrange your clothes here. Look, it's easy. Okay?
Yes. That's a
Magaling magturo! Close bit talaga ako, guys! Pamparam pam pam, pamparam pam pam. Marunong daw siya sumayaw. Next time guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya sumayaw. Kasi sabi niya marunong siya sumayaw. Kasi sumasayaw kami kanina, sumasayaw si Auntie Tere kanina dun sa TikTok. Gusto niya matuto. So maybe next time pakita ko sa inyo guys. Say bye-bye!
Yes.
Bye!